Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I was playing yesterday. Just yesterday, I made a video on the impact tool, which is in Corel X8 and above. And this morning, I was just kind of playing with it, and I thought I'd show you what I kind of came up with. You can make all sort of different designs with different tools inside of Corel after you're done. Uh, Different shapes, different patterns. On this one, I just used the blend tool. And then I did it. So I thought I'd go ahead and do that. And if you don't know how to do a blend like this, you could watch one of my other videos or somebody else's video on how to do the blend. But I'm just gonna, this item is all grouped together. I'm gonna take my new impact design and I'm gonna use the power clip. So I'm gonna go to effects, then I'm gonna go to object, power clip, place inside frame, and then just click inside of one of the circles and you get a pretty unique pattern. Then you could always left click your color palette and get rid of the outline. So I still got one saved. And also in Corel 2018, you could use this with the, let's just get there first. Let me move in. You could use this with a symmetry tool. So we're going to say new symmetry. We're going to move it to the center. We're going to move our X to the center. And then we're going to add a couple of, well, it's actually picked up some of my items on my page. So let's do this. Let's back up here. I don't really quite understand what to do first, but it somehow picked up, I guess maybe because that was on the page. Let's completely back up. And now nothing's on my page. So I'm going to grab the symmetry tool, which is under object, and create a new symmetry. Put it to the center. Get your X and put it to the center. You can also just hit P on the keyboard and it'll put it in the center of the page. And you don't have to be in the center of the page. I just like drawing in the center of the page. Now we're going to add a few lines. I'm going to take my 3-point curve and I'm going to draw a line and then I'm going to curve it. And I've created that object. And then what you need to do is just finish editing and it's going to get rid of your lines. Now, the only other thing you have to do with this tool, you have to fill it in with your Smart Fill tool. And then take away the outline. And so now you've got a new shape. And we're going to power clip this into that. Go to Object, Power Clip, place it. Whoop. Go to Object, Power Clip, place inside frame. And there you go. That easy. And you could still do other things with it. Let's back up here. Get our new impact drawing, and we'll do something like this right here. And I think at this time you have to probably convert this to a curve. But then you could use your envelope tool and actually change it quite a bit. Make a whole new shape. Now I don't know really when you'd use that, but it would take you a long time to draw that. I still haven't gone out to the shop and engraved that yet. And you could also, let's back up here one more time, or a couple of times to get our object back. You could actually use the extrude tool and get a completely different design. And I'm sure there's other things you could do with it, but it's a pretty cool tool. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.